welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Vigilance report cites irregularities in rush recruitment of health department. Sources say maximum rules of recruitment flouted. Code of conduct violated. Goa police arrest thieves involved in 4 flagged burglaries, chase and arrest in Singham style. 5 arrested, 4 policemen injured in the tussle. Vinod Phadke panel will form new GCA managing committee, says Dr. Shekhar Sarkar. 5 in race of presidential election, Phadke says there is no rift within the GCA. NGO complains of violation of human rights at protective home at Mirchia. A 5-year-old kid kept in protective home with a mother who's under arrest. And GFA slams FIFA contractor for failing to lay artificial turf in time for new season. Duler football ground looks unlikely to be ready this monsoon ends. And now the news in detail. The Vigilance report on the Health Department's rush recruitment before election has cited irregularities in the entire process. Highly placed sources have revealed that maximum rules of recruitment were flouted. The code of conduct was also violated. The department has already submitted this report to the government. More than 300 jobs may face cancellation if government accepts this report.
The Vigilance Department report on the hurried Health Department recruitment has reached to the state government. Around 300 jobs were put under the scanner to irregularities if there are any. The report has revealed following facts. Vigilance report. Recruitment process was not properly followed. Many rules were sidelined to complete the process in hurry. Code of conduct was clearly violated. More than 300 odd jobs may get cancelled. Just after the new government came to power, the Chief Minister had ordered an vigilance inquiry in the hurried recruitment process. It is not known whether the name of former Health Minister Vishwajit Rane figures in the report. There were allegations that fake appointment letters were distributed in Junior Rane's constituency before elections. A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab.
Goa police were in a Singham mood on Monday. They nabbed 5 thieves involved in 4 thefts in Panji. Police succeeded in busting the racket within 24 hours. Goa police followed the gang from Talegaon and nabbed them at Raj Bhavan. Police succeeded in recovering gold worth 10 lakh rupees from the thieves. 4 police officials got injured in the tussle.
Gold ornaments worth about 10 lakhs were taken away by the culprits. And these burglaries had taken place in Santines and Karandal area. Santines, it was so close to one another building near that Gomantak press. So immediately since yesterday, police had launched the investigation and trying to collect the intelligence who could be the culprits. And they got one piece of information that one orange color Swift vehicle was seen parked at the building, and one person walked towards the building wherein on the first floor the flat was burgled. At about 1:45, the vehicle was spotted in Talegaon. PI himself followed the vehicle. There were five occupants in the said vehicle, including one lady. When they realized that their vehicle is being followed, they tried to speed up, and in a filmy style they continued the chase. Finally, this culprit with the vehicle drove towards the Donapala. PI was continuously chasing the vehicle in a same fast speed, but unfortunately his vehicle went out of the road at Donapaula and turned turtle. Luckily, they escaped with the minor injuries. And finally, the vehicle was found abandoned at Raj Bhavan, outside the gate of Raj Bhavan. And the culprits ran into the jungle towards Iwan and La Marvel colony, that side. All 5 culprits were nabbed by the police. As I said, there is one lady and four of them are the gents. The entire gang claims to be from the Delhi, but it needs further verification. So right now we cannot say really whether they are from Delhi or somewhere else. We could able to recover the entire property involved in these 3 cases, 3 burglaries.
A reporter from Panji Navdeep Agyar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Dr. Shekhar Sarkar has declared his absolute support for Vinod Phadke and says the interim president should win the 22nd July election. Dr. Sarkar filed for ordinary member on Monday, which is a testimony to this fact. A total of 54 candidates have filed a nomination for different posts, including 5 for all-important president. After getting Sarkar's backing, Phadke has rubbished reports of a rift in the association.
The number of nominations filed was just 7 until Sunday, but the on and off rains on Monday did not deter a total of 47 candidates from filing their nominations. 5 nominations for president, 7 for life member, and 35 nominations for ordinary member were filed by candidates who poured in from all over the state's cricketing fraternity.
तर पहिलेच 2 दीस कमी आयली फॉर्मां, आज भरपूर आयले फॉर्मां आणि रिस्पॉन्स सगळ्यांचो बरो आसा. खेळीमेळी वातावरण चल्लां. फाल्यां स्क्रुटिनी जातली. स्क्रुटिनी जावन मागीर आमी लिस्ट मारतले कोण कोण हे कॅन्डिडेट आसा ते आनी मागीर परवा ते तेंचे विड्रॉवल.
But out of all, Shekhar Sarkar's nomination drew the most attention because Sarkar was expected to contest for president. Sarkar came early afternoon to file his nomination and later posed with a man who he is backing tooth and nail.
I filed as an ordinary member. I think the BCCI, when we discussed this at a higher level, they felt that Badu is a senior member. Okay. And he was the crux in moving all these things together. तांच्याशिवाय हे जावचें नासलें. It would not have been happened unless Badu has taken the lead and done this. So Badu was in touch with us for almost 6 months prior to this episode has started.
Are you sure that Badu is going to win? Because he is very sure about that.
I am not failed on it because who can win? We have full support of all the clubs. I think me and Badu together with Chetan and all the clubs, I think almost 90% of the clubs will be with us.
Do you expect them to withdraw?
All of them will withdraw. All of them will withdraw. Even if they don't withdraw, there is no problem for us.
Vinod Phadke addressed the press after the cut-off time of filing nominations, clearing any doubts of a rift within his panel.
पेपरांनी एक न्यूज येतली की आमच्या मध्ये स्प्लिट जाल्या म्हटल्यार तशें कांयच ना. आमी जे आदले कमिटी मेंबर्स आणि ज्यांच्यांनी आमकां फाटी नार्वेकाराक उडोवपाक सपोर्ट केला असे जे आमचे सपोर्टर आहात ते सगळे आमी एकठांय आसात. दोतोर सरकारान आमकां खूब हेल्प केला प्रत्येक बाबतीन आणि आमची जी कमिटी जातली फुडली त्या कमिटीन दोतोर सरकाराचो मेन रोल आसतलो. ही विल बी like our leader and we'll go according to his guidance.
There are 15 members, 3 COPT members and 1 lady member. So I think all of us can be fitted inside very well. Even if there is a COPT member, he doesn't have to feel outside.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte and video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.